Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Upbeat Learning Tutorials. Today we are going to learn about leadership success and life transformation series about the 5R rules. So what are these 5Rs basically? Let us understand. Okay, the 5R stands for resilience, remarkable, rewarding and reserves, read and reflection. Okay, so these are the 5Rs which I think are most important as a leader. So before understanding all these 5Rs, I would like to let us understand and read one quote, which is written by Martin Luther King Jr., who says, "If you can't walk, then crawl. But whatever you do, you have to keep moving forward, right? That is the law of nature. That is the law, the basic law, moving ahead in life. So build that resilience. Once you want to become a leader, be remarkable in your things. So resilience is the ability to function well in the face of adversity, right? Resilience is knowing that you are the one who is responsible and has the power and the responsibility to pick yourself up. So if you can't fly, then run. If you can't run, then walk. And if you can't walk, then crawl. But do whatever that makes you keep going forward, right? And another thing which says, I can be changed by what happens to me, but I refuse to be reduced by it. Okay, so there are a lot of things which happens around your work, your culture, your corporate, your career, wherein you face a lot of dilemmas and situations wherein you know you need to build and come out as a resilient leader. You need to build that understanding, right, and be resilient. So here, once you build that resilience, it will help you in the long run to stay for what you aim for and achieve what you aim for and reach your goals. Number two, be remarkable. Be remarkable to achieve those goals, those breakthroughs, the achievements, the barriers which is stopping you from reaching your goals. Try to eliminate those or try to overcome those barriers or fears and get that top-notch breakthroughs in your performance, in your work, in your actions, in your career, in your projects, in your ultimate and reach that ultimate potential. Through that ultimate potential, you can be remarkable. Number three, rewarding results. As I always emphasize on, go above and beyond what is expected of you or them as a leader who needs to meet specific performance, because every time there are certain targets, certain goals which you need to achieve minimum on an average, right? But then once you go beyond and push your limits, go beyond those averages, or you know you push your limits or your boundaries yourself to learn more, to create more, to innovate more, and finally go that extra mile to get those rewarding results. Number four, read. Have you ever seen a reader who is not well read? No, right? So reading is going to help you out no matter what sphere of life you're in. As a leader, it is going to help you out in your corporate communication, clearly communicating what you want to communicate with clarity and consistency, strategically and encompassing management and acting in an organization disciplines. Okay. Last but not least, reflection. Reflect on your performance or the way you are working. Reflect on the interactions, the communications you have, the situations you have faced, the challenges you have faced. So reflection on work improves job performance, obviously, and working knowledge of the way of doing the things. What went right, what went wrong, okay, or how can we improve that particular scenario or particular issue which we resolve. When we talk about the techies as a developer, I would say, or as a prosperous worker, you need to fix those issues. You need to fix those requirements, even from the stakeholders. You need to fix and debug the code as well, right? So reflect on what went good, what was not good, what was bad. So in order to eliminate the future inconsistencies or future small issues, right? Working on small issues does not take more time. So reflection gives us a space to identify and think about the challenges we faced, whether it was project setback, a missed opportunity, or a problem within our processes. So understanding the root causes of our challenges enables us to come up with the strategies for avoiding and overcoming them in the future. So this is going to help you in the long run and uh, not having any more setbacks, right? So these are my 5 R's: being resilient, being remarkable, being rewarding to get those results, push your boundaries, read, 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 and eager to learn more as a leader to grow and prosper further in life. And last but not least, have a reflection. Hope you like this. Have a nice day. See you later.